Today we're over in Illinois at AlumiTank's Shop 5 Harvard facility. We're here to check out a recent 350-ton Beckwood press that we installed. Let's go check it out. So here's a 350-ton Beckwood draw press. You have a 150-ton cushion on the bottom. So as this ram comes down and starts to draw the material, that cushion will be providing some resistance force to control the material flow and eliminate wrinkles. Let's check it out.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to run this end cap here. I'm going to apply a little bit of lubrication to the die and then place the blank inside of the die into the press. Go up again to a couple indicator pins so that we're centered within it. A couple more shots of lubrication to it, and John's going to cycle that. So what you're going to see happening now is it's going to pinch that material, hang onto it, and stretch it down over top of the punch that's underneath. And that's going to give us the same shaped part that the punch is. So again, you're going to see a very even stretching of the material, very consistent shape, no ripples in it at all. That's the consistency and the control that the Beckwood gives us.